Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have a different type of video for you guys today. I have an unboxing, and also we're going to try out this item too. This is a desktop scanner from Eyoyo. This thing looks like something that I'm going to use a lot when I'm scanning items into eBay, and maybe even possibly trying to implement this for our storage system and all of our stuff that we have behind us that we do sell online. So I'm thinking this barcode scanner that's going to be sitting on my desk is actually going to be a good thing to use, especially with the way that we've been selling stuff. We might be able to do a nice inventory system with barcodes, but I think the main thing I'm going to do with this one is use it to when I'm scanning an item for eBay to check sold comms and to do set up the listings. This will be a nice item just to set it there, scan it, and let's get it on there. So let's open this box up. Let's see how it's packaged up. So this is the box right here. They just sent it to me. They just sent it over to the P.O. box. Super nice of them to do this. We've had a couple scanners in the past that honestly I was not a fan of. So we'll see how this one is. So get this opened here. Nicely packed here. Got the bubble packets here, and then there is the box. So you know how we like these guys, we usually use these and recycle these and use them for other packages that we ship out. We'll also reuse this box too because it's actually a really nice box, so that's another bonus here. So here's the box, here's the scanner. See right here, it's black. It's a black barcode scanner and everything right there. Let's open this up. We're both going to check this out for the first time. There it is. It's nice and packed. Not too large. Yeah, not too large. So there it is right there. Nice barcode scanner for your desktop. Will sit right on the desk and hopefully scan this. Looks like there's a button at the top maybe to scan. It also comes, looks like a cord to plug into your computer. Nice little USB cord. Oh, got the adapter there, and also that. Then it also has some instructions in the box. 2D scanner. It has a scan setting set to default. Output USB. Has all the parameters set up for this. It'll do all your scans, settings, scans, stuff like that. All your typical, like just basic stuff. This helps you out when you're setting it up. So let's get this set up and let's scan it and let's see how it works. Okay, so we're going to get this set up right here. Plugs into the back right here. Then it will also plug into your computer. I'm actually glad because I was really kind of scared for a second, only because I thought that this end had to plug into your computer, and I don't have another connection for that. So, little twisty tie, and we're going to plug this in right here. Super, super easy. Now we'll plug it into the computer. Now we'll plug it into the computer over here. We actually have a USB port over here, just because we have so much stuff plugged in, our Rollo printer and just everything else. Okay, so the one thing it actually does say on here is to remove this sticker, and I don't have anything else that's sharp. Something just fell off my desk. So remove this sticker, tells you to remove it. So, and then we're also going to just scan default. Set it to default, and yeah, actually we'll scan this one here. Scan for output USB. So my computer now says it's waiting to set up scanner. So we have eBay open right here. I put the cursor up in the search bar. Yeah, so let's scan this CD and let's see what happens. I'm going to scan the barcode on the barcode scanner. There we go. And the UPC code popped up. And let's see if that's the CD that we just scanned. And that is the CD we just searched for. So overall, this scanner works out pretty well. I'm definitely going to put it to the test with some scanning some UPC codes and stuff like that, and possibly seeing how to set up for our inventory system. Maybe we could put barcodes on some things, certain things that we have a lot of or something, and make it a little bit easier for us. But who knows what we'll put this to use for, except for I think it's going to come to use for scanning UPC codes like we just did for this CD on eBay. Very, very reasonable price scanner. I like how it's a desktop version. I know you can do a lot of the stuff on your phone, but it is nice having a desktop scanner. We've used different scanners in the past with the triggers and everything like that. but I really think the desktop scanner is going to come in handy for us. If you guys go to the description below, there'll be links to purchase this scanner for yourself, and there's also some discount codes. Free shipping, 30-day money-back guarantee, and 1-year warranties on these things. So we'll put it to the test and see if it holds up. I'll also come back to this video later on after we use it some more, and also let you know how it's actually been working for us. But I think this scanner is going to work out pretty well for us. So if this is something that you're interested in, go down to the link in the description, check it out. You can purchase it on Amazon and save 10%, or you can purchase it on their website and save 20% with the codes down below. So guys, until next time, happy hunting, stay safe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.